This is the new bird feeder camera. Here is everything that was in the box. This has a camera that's motion activated and solar powered. Took about 2 minutes to assemble. It was very easy. It's got a little hummingbird nectar container. This other thing, and these things screw right into the perch. There's also a little container that slides in right there. And the roof pops open, and this is where you fill in the seed. It has a built-in 5,000 milliamp hour battery. The little light shows that it's charging. After a couple hours, the light has turned green, means the battery is fully charged. So this thing is called a jelly box. This is a suet feeder. This is a honey feeder, the hummingbird container. And then also there's these things called fruit holders. They screw into these little brass spots, and I guess you pierce a piece of fruit onto there. Insert the SD card and then press the on button. Press and hold. This little blue light turns on. And you can access this when the roof is on. You download an app to your phone and it connects to the bird feeder. It took me about 3 or 4 minutes. And anytime you want, you can open your phone and get a live stream from the camera. And there's even bird recognition. It will tell you what kind of bird it is. I have it mounted with the tree strap, and the solar panel is up at the top. So the bird feeder is probably 200 feet away, and I'm easily able to connect. You can press library and it will show you all the little clips of the birds. And I can watch a live feed. That's a live feed right now of a bird at the bird feeder. It has been 5 days and the battery is showing 97%. So this bird feeder has exceeded my expectations. It's super cool. I have a link below of the exact item I purchased.